Welcome to the in front of me DOOGEE S86 Pro, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So first that's just to open the top bar here, and here you'll see the sound icon. Just click here twice on the sound icon, and now you can see that the silent mode is activated. So here we can see that's the phone muted there. So that means that all our ringtones and notifications, so they are muted, so they are in silent mode. If you want to turn off silent mode, just click here once again on this icon, and you can see that we'll just activate the sound mode. If you want to do it by the second way, that's also so simple. Just press up or down one button, that doesn't matter. And here you'll see the bell icon. Click here twice, and now we can see that all our calls and notifications will be muted. So that means that we just activated successfully the silent mode. If you want to turn it off, just once again click here on this bell icon, and that's it. There you can see that the calls and notifications, they will ring. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.